Okay, guys, we are here at the Bellagio and we are at Huff and Even More Puff. And we're going to see if we can get a wheel feature, if we can get the wolf to howl, if we can get the wolf to shake his tail, if we can get 6 hats, any of those things. I'm ready. I would love a haywire, anything random. I'm ready. Oh, 3 buzzsaws. A lot of things can happen here. And I'll take any of them. Come on, cats. Oh. Buzzsaw, one more. I thought you heard my pleas. Oh. Let's do it. I would love a gold buzzsaw, just so we could advance directly up to the next level. Come on, Wolfie. Give me a haywire bonus, just out of the kindness of your heart. I'm ready for a howl. Come on, Wolf. We need your help. Oh, now. Okay, we got a natural 6 hat. We need hats on every spin. Come on. Oh, let's do it. Oh no, don't. Oh. Don't bamboozle us. One more. Oh. Oh. You hurt me. I didn't even get any wood houses. Wah, wah, wah. Mr. Wolf, you really hurt me with that one. It's like, oh, so cute. $7. Really? Like, no. We're not. No. No. I would like a redo. I demand a redo. That was not even remotely acceptable. Come on. Oh. Give me a howl. Okay. Well, that's a lot on unusual initial hit, so maybe it's promising. Oh, don't tease me. Thank you. All the hats are on this bonus because they weren't on the last bonus. I'm a Tito's Club Soda. Thank you. Oh, come on now. 3. Oh, you can do it. 3. At least 1 mansion. I would love at least 3. Oh, Dang. I'm not sure how I feel about you today, sir. Give me a coin on the wooden houses, just for funsies. Please. Oh, it didn't give me a funsy coin. Give me $11.50. Oh, well, that's okay. I feel like there's more to be had here. We're just getting it warmed up. What we really need is 3 buzzsaws so we can try to get that upgrade on the wheel. Or I would love just a howl from the wolf. I love the wolf howl. He makes me happy. Come on, Mr. Wolf. We want... Oh. You can do this. I know. Give me a big howl. I want a third makeup bonus. Well, I guess it'd be the second makeup bonus. Come on. I know you got this in you. Oh, 3 more. Oh, 3 buzzsaws. Or a howl. 3, 2, 1 more. No howl? Okay, now we have a chance. We have a chance at the wheel upgrade. Let's just put it out there immediately. Come back around. Come on. Oh. Whoa. We did it. See, I knew you were holding out on me, Mr. Wolf. Give me the super mansion. I'm just putting that out there as well. Super mansion. Super. Okay. Alright. Give me full screen. Oh. Full screen. Oh, right there. Right, stop. I like that one. Okay. This seems like, but how could you not have any hats in that amount of squares? I mean, just mathematically. 1 more. Thank you. Mathematically. Every time there should be 3 hats. Okay, we have a mansion. We do have a mansion. Thank you. Every single time. Another mansion. Okay, let's get 3 hats. Come on, 3 hats. Thank you. Another mansion. Okay. 3. Okay. All it takes is 1. counting on you, buddy. I'm counting on you, buddy. That major is kind of calling my name. I want coins. I want big coins. Okay, mansions. 4 mansions. Are you able to break?
Yes, they left me with that machine.
Okay. $72 on $1 bet. I like it. I like it. Okay. Can we do a couple backups? Oh. On $1. I'm gonna go up to 2 and see if we can get a bonus or a howl or an anything. Come on, Mr. Wolf. Thank you. Can I have a water as well, just when you have a chance? Thank you. Do it again. I would love a gold buzzsaw. What I would really love is for the wolf to randomly howl at me and give me something good. Come on. He did it. He did it, y'all. I want this thing to go wild with 3 triggers. Like that, but on every spin. Exactly like that, but on every spin. And see, no dead spins. Come on. Cats, we need Oh boy. 3. Oh, 3. Oh, no mansions this time. Why? Come on, Wolf. Surprise me on the wooden houses. Couple backups at $1. And we'll try some $2. How me again? Absolutely does not like that bet whatsoever. Howl? Oh, I thought it was going to howl at me. Come on. I would love another howl. Oh, and didn't need a house. Give it to me. Now, let's go crazy with... Oh. I'm really looking for that bonus where it just goes crazy with the hats. Come on, this can be the one. Do it. Three. Oh, three. At least once. One time. Oh, well, we did get 2 mansions, and as I have mentioned, it only takes one. So, Wolf, kindly give me coins is what I want. Alright, mansions need coins. Please. Do it big. Oh, well that, I mean, you know, I'll take $41. I'm not mad at it. Not mad at it. All right. Calm down. Hey. Couple backups. Okay, we'll try it again to increase it. Give me a howl. Oh. Give me a good big howl, okay, or... Oh, there's that gold buzzsaw that I so desire. It really does not like the $2 bet, like, at all. Not at all. Oh. I want to howl. Maybe. Come on, let's howl. I know you can do this, Mr. Bull. We are friends. I want a big, amazing, howl. Come on, do it. And, I would so love for him to just howl at me. Couple of 2s just in case. Changes his mind. He doesn't like to. But you would think he would. Oh. Don't give up on me, Wolf. I haven't given up on you. Don't give up on me. Oh, now all of a sudden the button is sticky. Alright, let me see what the best... are at two. Wait, let's try $2. Come on. Oh. Oh. I want a big old howl. Come on, Mr. Wolf. Oh my gosh. Wow. Are you telling me he's going to give me 4 hats? Wow. I like that. I'm not mad at it. Okay. Oh, but we need you to just go wild with... Oh, come on, let's... Come on. Oh, wait a minute. No. Oh. Oh, come on. Please. Please. Re-trigger. Please, please. Oh, no. Oh. It tricked me. Oh, that was... Ooh. Oh, that was trickery. I'm not sure how I feel. Do something crazy. No. That's just not nice. $22, but I mean, I was expecting more. Make it up to me. Make it up to me, Wolf. Oh. Oh. Thought it was listening. Wow, didn't mean to do that, but I mean, I'll take it. Can we get actual hats this time? Yes. That's what I mean. That's what I meant. And again, and again. Oh, maybe this is the one, y'all. This could be it. Do it. Do it. Oh, come on. Thank you. Okay. Come on, let's go crazy with hats. Do it, do it, do it. Come on, hats. And one more. Oh. Okay, that was definitely more than one. How many? Okay, 2 mansions. I like it. Do it again. Here's. Okay, another mansion. All right. Let's. Oh. Dude, I would write you letters, handwritten pen pal letters, if you would just be my best friend. Okay, let's do it. Let's do it. Mr. Wolf, we got 3 mansions to work with. Okay, BFF. Let's get a coin. Multiple coins. Oh, we got it. Well, when I meant coin, but it is $100. So, okay, look, I am down with it. I like it. Look, you are my friend. Now let's get in a zone. Let's get in a zone. love that gold buzz. Oh, 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 oh. Come on. This crazy button. I love a howl. Now, what I will probably do is when we get to 150, hopefully we don't, because we just go to infinity. But I will not go below that. That'll at least be $50 profit. Come on, Wolfie. I don't even want to think about that. You're going to give me something magical. I really want to wheel. Oh, oh, oh. Come on. I want to howl. Oh, last spin. Alright, well, I'm going to call it with my $150, $50 profit. That was a nice little session. We got quite a few bonuses. And I'm going to go see if I can find another game to pay. If you like my videos, like and subscribe to my channel.